Hey guys, and welcome to a mini episode. So this morning I went out to my car and the tire was completely flat, or not completely flat, but most of the way flat. So I'm gonna try and patch it with just a cheap like $5 slime tire patch kit that I got off of Amazon. And I'm gonna show you how to do it, how easy it is to do. I will say that the item that's in my tire kind of looks, I don't really know what it is. It looks like a steel band or something, but it's pretty wide, so it might be past the limit of which one of these plugs can actually fill in, but it's worth a try before I buy a new tire. So with that, I'm going to show you how I do it. It's pretty simple, something you could definitely do at home.
Start by removing the tire and supporting the car on jack stands. The slime tire repair kit can be purchased from $7.50 on Amazon. The only other additional item that's needed is the method of extracting the item from the tire. Thread the plug through the inserting tool. I'm not sure if it's necessary, but the kit does include some rubber cement to help seal the plug. Once the item is removed, use the reaming tool to clean out the hole that was left. I used a set of dikes to remove the leftover plug material. Now all that's left is to reinflate the tire and check for leaks. Some soapy water can help identify a good seal on the plug.
So as you can see, it's a pretty simple job to do. I will be honest, that was probably the most difficult one I'd ever done, just where that piece was right on the rib of the tread in the tire. Then also being kind of like a longer, skinnier piece, it was kind of hard to get the reamer in there. Well, and then get the plug in, but once I did, it seems like it's not leaking when I checked it, so just make sure you have a inflator with you for the next few days just in case it reappears. But I'm actually kind of surprised that one plugged. I didn't think it was going to, but we'll see. Only time will tell. Might have to end up buying a new tire, but it's worth the couple bucks to try and do that if you can. All right, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.